in, let's take a look inside. This is a wonderful area, a great room area, formal dining room it could be, as well as a second living room. This is the second living room. It's got a view from the kitchen, which is nice, so you can kind of oversee everything while you're in the kitchen area. Nice open space, lots of natural light coming through as well. That this is a split floor plan. So we got the master on that side of the house, and then over on this side, we're gonna have the laundry room through here, and then we have bedrooms 1, 2, and 3 on this side, along with the guest bathroom as well. To the master bedroom. I love that there's tons of natural light coming through, and then you can actually just walk right into your bathroom.